Hey guys, it's Zanny. It is day 20 of Vlogtober, and today we are filming on my iPhone on YouTube Capture, so this won't be edited at all. Yay! It's also going to be really short because it is past 11 and I'm tired and I want to go to sleep. So you get a kind of crappy video. Sorry. But today we're going to talk about how it's nice to just unplug from your phone and the internet and go hang out with people that you love. Because that's what I did tonight. I finished all that I was doing today, drove to the mall, met up with two of my most amazing friends ever, and we had dinner and saw The Martian, which deserves so many awards, and Matt Damon needs a fucking Oscar because that was incredible. And then afterwards we just hung out and we talked, and we haven't all hung out in ages, and I forgot how much that I loved these girls, and how much they get me. And normally when I hang out with people, I'm like on my phone or showing them something on BuzzFeed or something stupid. And it was really nice just to sit down, like phone in my pocket, and just talk to another human being face to face and just have fun. So that's my advice for you today. Unplug, go hang out with friends, and live in that moment. And it's not necessary to record everything on your phone. We took one picture, put it on Snapchat, and that's it, because the mirror in the bathroom was fly. And I mean, that was all we needed to do. Next time we hang out, I'm sure we'll take more pictures, but it was really nice to just be unplugged and enjoy human interaction, because I haven't done that in a really long time. So do that every once in a while. Okay, see you tomorrow.